The last day, they moved us for security. They moved us from the middle. They moved us to the south, to Rafah. And we were there. And then we saw a big tent. And they said, this is the Quran tent. And I said, what does that mean? He said, the Quran tent is where the kids during the day go to there, read or memorize or review. When was the last time you read Quran since Eid? You hear it all the time. All the time. I didn't hear music. I didn't hear singing at all for 10 days. And if anybody feels down and they need entertainment, it should be them. Everyone I interviewed, they said, and I'm going to end up with you, they said, talk about it. Don't forget us. Talk about it. Whatever you can do. Allah will give us victory. They all say this. We just don't know when. Victory is going to come. But meanwhile, everybody talk about it. Post. They love what we post because they know there's people think of them and remember them. They have to go and buy a SIM for 1 hour to see what is going on in the world, and they follow the news. And so imagine if we are here, all of us, stuck in here, bombing on our head. No one cares about us. And then in this 1 hour when they are on the net, they see someone speak about us. How do you feel? So don't you get numb. Don't you say it's too long. Don't you say it's not me. No, it is us. These are our brothers and sisters. One day could be you and me. May Allah protect us. There's no guarantee in this world. He greets you. And what's your name in Arabic? 9-year-old. So I gave her my name, right? Every morning. Then one day she looked at me and says, do you see how happy I am? And I said, yeah, why? She says, I'm going to go to Egypt to get treated. And I said, who's going with you? I don't know. But at least I'm going to get treated. 9-year-old, what they should be happy for? 9-year-old, right? Literally, those children, their childhood stripped from them. I didn't see a child. I saw a child, but I did not see a child. She said, I had 3 children, and the 3 children got sick. And please forgive me, they had diarrhea. So I needed to buy diapers for them. She bought the diapers for $60. Each one package. She said 180 shekels, about $50. And I said, what is your salary? 800 shekels. She said the whole salary went for the diapers. It's what she told me at the end. She looked at me and she said, you know what? This life is nothing. I never lived, even before this, for this life. I lived for Jannah. Wallahi, I have it recorded. And I want to go to Jannah. This life is going to end. Today, tomorrow, this is how she was talking to me. Today, tomorrow, we all are going. And that's why we sleep with our hijab. And I said, why? She said, so when we are dead, we are covered. She even looked at me and she started reciting Al-Waqi'ah. I was like, what is this?